Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Essentials of Machine Learning. Learning has always been a crucial element in increasing the ability to make decisions and reason them. Experience is a crucial element in learning. Let it be a human being or a robot playing chess. Learning always leads to better performance. It gives us the ability of autonomy and helps us in identifying patterns in occurrence or detect anomalies or even predict the future. Machine learning is about imparting intelligence to machines through learning. This course deals with the fundamentals of machine learning. More importantly, this course deals with elements like data discovery, data cleaning, data visualization elements, which are done prior to building a model. Hence, this is quintessential. As a part of the course, we will look to the definitions of artificial intelligence as directed by various schools of thought. Then we will try to define artificial intelligence through the eyes of Sir Alan Turing. Then we will try to understand a paradigm of artificial intelligence, that is machine learning. We will look into the definition of machine learning. Later we will try to understand how significant is data in machine learning. In the pursuit of building a good data set for our machine learning model, we will work on NumPy library for numerical computation. Then we will work with Pandas library for manipulating data. Later, we will try to understand the literal meaning of how a picture says 1,000 words. We will try to understand the significance of data visualization in machine learning or data science. In pursuit, we will work with the Seaborn library. We will try to understand the relationships of variables and their trend and behavior using a set of visualization tools using Seaborn. Then we will venture into data preprocessing or data cleaning, which is the most significant element that gives you the best machine learning models. You must have heard of the saying, garbage in, garbage out. Your machine learning model output depends upon the data you are feeding into the model. So, during this course, we will look into some important techniques for handling dirty data, identifying data, and some more tricks. During this course, we will handle various data sets. We will try to clean them right from checking the formats to merging several data sets. It's going to be a great ride, so buckle up.